All right, so I am gonna go do a car wash right now. And I'm gonna take you guys with me on this car to do this car wash. I have so many things, not so many things, but I have things to clean. I have to clean my room. I have to clean the inside of my car as well as the outside of my car and the trunk of my car. Yeah, let's go. I'm already annoyed. There's a line outside of the store to just drop off a package. I don't understand. Okay, never mind. I was annoyed for no reason. All I had to do was just drop it into a box because it was a prepaid package. Yeah, so lesson, guys, don't let minor things get you annoyed because you never know if it'll be better than you expect. Did you enjoy that? Good, so now I'm gonna start vacuuming my car and you're gonna see a lot of stuff coming out of this car. All have this kind of stuff in our car though. Like, I'm not the only one. Okay. The other side. Yeah. Nasty. And that was not even for me. That was from somebody else being in my car and thinking that it was a dumping room. So this is why I don't like letting people in my car. Yeah, so when I was in the program, in the internship, had a bunch of their stuff in my car. I said I wouldn't. I don't know. I feel like it didn't really do anything, but at least I know the trash that I don't need is gone. So that's a plus. But I took out my rug and I cleaned, so it looks so much nicer. But if anybody knows how to get inside of these, this is like the death of me. I need help with this part. I'm just cooling off now. It's so hot in Florida. So I cleaned everything. I even cleaned my doors. Guys, do not let people in your car. That's the moral of the story. anyway, so I wanted to show you guys something. I got this on Amazon and I wanted to like show you briefly. You know how you get all this dust in your car and it feels impossible to actually get the stuff like in between your buttons and in the little cups and all that kind of stuff? Well, like, I got this thing. It's called the XBRN cleaning. I think it's supposed to say gel, but it doesn't. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna put the link down below in the description box, so that if you guys can just go and purchase it from that link. But it picks up stuff so good. Like, let me show you. It's a putty, and as you can see, I've used it quite a bit already. So you grab it, and then I kind of just like stick it. And it's also fun. Like, what other, cleaning device is this fun?